Hi children, welcome back to our class. In previous class we have to discuss object, materials and properties of materials. Today we have to discuss properties of materials. Properties of materials. Then first one is appearance. First property is appearance. Then hardness. Third, soluble or insoluble. Soluble or insoluble. Then float or sink. Float or sink. Then transparence. Transparence. These are the properties of materials. Once more, what are the properties of materials? Appearance, hardness, soluble or insoluble, float or sink and transparency. Then first we have to check appearance. Appearance means how a material looks. Appearance means how a material looks. How a material looks. That means some materials are shiny, some are dull, some are lustrous and some are non-lustrous. Shiny or lustrous means some metals. Example, gold, silver, aluminium. These are shining metals. Then plastic, wood, then paper, these are non-shine. That means these have no appearance. Appearance means materials looks. Then next is hardness. Hardness means some materials hard, some touching time soft. Then hard, difficult to compress or scratch. Example, iron, wood, stone, glass. Then compress means pressing time soft, hard feeling. Then soft means can be compressed or stretched easily. Then in your textbook definition, materials which can be compressed or scratched easily are called soft. Then hardness including hard and soft. Hard and soft. Hard example iron, then wood, stone, glass. Soft example cotton, sponge, rubber, wool. Then in appearance, materials can have different properties like luster, hardness, be rough or smooth. Then next is soluble or insoluble. Then soluble means material is mixed with water and disappear is soluble. Then insoluble means material cannot mix with water and disappear. Then in your textbook definition, substance that completely disappeared or dissolved in water are soluble in water. Example, sugar, salt, etc. Then substance that do not mix with water and do not disappear even after we stir for a long time, these substances are insoluble in water. Example, sand, oil. Soluble substance mixed with water. Example, salt, sugar. Then insoluble substance cannot mix with water. These are example of sand, oil. Then next is float or sink. Objects which are denser than water sink, whereas objects which are less denser than water will float on water. That means lightweight things float on water, then hard things sink on the water. Example, leaf, balloon, plastic bottle, rubber ball, a paper boat, balloon, oil. These are light things. These float on water. Then sand, stone, coins, these are sink on water. Then transparency. Transparency including three categories. First is transparent, then opaque, then translucent. Translucent. Transparent, opaque and translucent. Transparent means the materials through which things can be seen clearly are called transparent. That means seen clearly. These are called transparent. Seen clearly, these are called transparent. Example, glass, water, air. Then next is opaque. Opaque means materials through which we are not able to see. These materials are called opaque. Example, wood, cardboard and metals. Then wall also. Wall, if you have to stand here, then you cannot see another side. This type of transparency is called opaque. Then next is translucent. Translucent means the materials through which objects can be seen but not clearly are known as translucent. Translucent means when object can see but cannot clearly. These type of objects are called translucent. Example, butter paper, oily patch on paper. Then once more, what are the properties of materials? Appearance means how a materials look. Example, shiny, dull or luster. Then hardness, some materials are hard, some are soft. Then soluble or insoluble. Soluble means mix with water and disappear the substance. Insoluble means cannot mix with water and cannot disappear. Then float or sink. Float objects are floating on water upside. Sink substance are downside. Then transparency. Transparent means seen clearly. Then opaque, cannot see. Translucent means see can be seen but clearly not seen. Example, oil, paper. Then in our lesson, sorting materials into groups. What is the meaning of sorting? Sorting means arranging. Then why sorting of materials in groups makes it convenient? That means what is the purpose of sorting? Then to study the properties. Sorting time we have to study the. Then in your home, your clothes is arranged in one cupboard. Then textbook is arranged in another cupboard. Then kitchen utensils or kitchen things is arranged in cupboard. That means sorting in things. Then to observe any patterns in these properties. All materials or all objects have different patterns and different shapes or properties there. Then complete our lesson. Thanks.